Hi, I'm Tom, and in this quick tip for Bonsai BIM, I will show you how to manage IfcSpace visibility in Bonsai. I'm using Bonsai 0.8.3. So I've imported this IFC project inside of Bonsai, and if I hide this wall, you can see that by default all space objects are displayed as basically solid objects. So this is space representing the room, this is another room, and you can see that these space objects are now obscuring visibly walls and other objects. So I want to make them transparent or hide them. Previously I was selecting all of the spaces and then hiding them, but I found out about this great tool, which is the Spatial tool. So if I switch to my Spatial tool, I've got some options here which are really useful. And you can see that the first one is toggle space visibility. If I click this, all of the spaces are made transparent and they are represented only by the mesh, so I can still click and select the IFC space. You can see that it's 280, and this one, if I click on this one, it's 279. So this is one option to make them transparent, or I could hide them completely. So if I click toggle hide spaces, the spaces are hidden and they are not visible and I cannot select them. So, and I have got the option to then turn them on again, make them visible in bulk, and toggle the visibility. So these are the options of handling space visibility inside of Bonsai BIM. I hope this was useful, and I will see you in the next one.